There were over 200 notable dam failures around the world between 2000 and 2009. As our dams age and more severe weather events continue, the number of these incidents will continue to grow. Consider China's Three Gorges Dam. It's the world's largest dam with a reservoir capacity of 39.3 billion cubic meters. While it's not currently at risk of failing, it's easy to imagine how devastating a dam failure at such a large scale would be. Even a reservoir with half that capacity could result in thousands upon thousands of fatalities and leveled towns. History has sadly seen such accidents before. Let's take a look at the 7 most deadly dam failures. Location: Machu River, Morbi, India. Name: Machu 2 Dam. Year: 1979. Fatalities: 5,000. In 1979, the Machu 2 Dam burst, flooding the town of Morbi in Gujarat, India. The failure was a result of excessive rain from monsoon storms. While 5,000 people died during the initial event, the flood also damaged the surrounding farmland, resulting in lower agricultural yield in future years, which also had an impact on human life. The dam was eventually rebuilt with a higher spillway capacity and is still in use today. Location: Monte Toc, Italy. Name: Vajont Dam. Year: 1963. Fatalities: 2,000. While not technically a dam failure, the 1963 disaster occurred during the initial filling of the dam's reservoir. A landslide caused a mega tsunami in the lake, resulting in 50 million cubic meters of water flooding out of the dam. Several of the surrounding villages and towns were destroyed, and 2,000 people died. But the dam itself remained intact. Location: Ambi River, Pune, India. Name: Panchet Dam. Year: 1961. Fatalities: 1,000. Also known as the Tanajasagar Dam, the Panchet Dam failed in 1961 due to the absence of reinforced cement concrete strengthening the conduit. The entire city of Pune flooded, and at least 1,000 people were killed. It was also just its first year of storing water. The dam was later rebuilt. Location: North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. Name: Monet Dam. Year: 1943. Fatalities: 1,600. The Monet Reservoir is an artificial lake formed by the damming of 2 rivers, the Hive and Monet. The dam on the reservoir was bombed in 1943 during Operation Chastis in World War II, which also breached the Edersee Dam and damaged the Sorpe Dam. This resulted in a catastrophic flooding of the Ruhr Valley. An estimated 1,600 civilians lost their lives. Location: Sank River, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, India. Name: Tigra Dam. Year: 1917. Fatalities: 1,000. The Tigra Dam was constructed in the vicinity of 11 villages. These villages all relied on the dam for irrigation and drinking water. In August 1917, the dam failed due to infiltration into its sandstone foundations. The failure resulted in the deaths of about 1,000 people downstream. For comparison, it's estimated that some 1,500 people in Louisiana lost their lives due to Hurricane Katrina, which caused levees and floodwalls to fall in more than 50 locations, flooding 80% of the city. Location: Jonestown, Pennsylvania. Name: South Fork Dam. Year: 1889. Fatalities: 2,209. In May 1889, the South Fork Dam failed, flooding the nearby towns with 20 million tons of water from Lake Conemaugh. Excessive rainfall triggered the tragedy, which cost an estimated $17 million in damages and 2,209 lives. This was the American Red Cross's first major disaster relief effort. How does one of the deadliest natural disasters compare? The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami was one of the deadliest and most destructive natural disasters in human history. The earthquake had a magnitude of 9.1 to 9.3 and is believed to release the energy of 23,000 Hiroshima-type atomic bombs. 100 feet high waves sped across the ocean, submerging many islands and killing more than 230,000 people. While we can't avoid all dam failures or totally protect ourselves from floodwaters, it is possible to minimize the risks, especially when it comes to human error. Engineers can use slope stability computer programs to identify potential failures in dams that already exist. Additionally, when a dam or flood structure is being built, unmanned aerial vehicles can be used to help develop 3D models of progress and track any and all issues. Of course, these strategies can only be used when those in charge invest the proper resources to improve our infrastructure. This will be key as new dams continue to pop up around the globe and extreme weather events continue to increase.